Okay, good morning, first year students. Good morning, everyone. Okay, today the continuation of compound angle problems. Continuation. Yesterday, so many problems, so many models. Sin x plus sin y formula, cos x plus cos y, cos x minus cos y, sin x minus sin y. Sin a plus b into sin a minus b, cos a plus b into cos a minus b, this type of problems. Okay, easy to remember that this type of problems. How to remember easily? Cos x plus cos y, cos in between, plus means both are cos's. Okay, this type. Next, cos in between, minus means 2 sines, minus 2 sin x plus y by 2, sin x minus y by 2. Cos sin in between, plus means first sin, next cos, 2 sin x plus y by 2, cos x minus y by 2, this one. So next some more important problems, major problems, and small difficult. Difficult means nothing. Difficult means what? Means there is formula. There is no formula means every problem have difficult. Every problem have difficult. The formula is perfect means every problem easy, very easy. Problem not understanding means simple. There is no formula. You don't know formula. You don't know how to apply the formula. This formula perfect means anything. So next one, show that important one. Today class all our problems important one. All 5 marks problems. Show that example 14. Show that tan 3x into show that tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x, tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x is equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. This is the problem. This is very difficult problem, so simple solution. What is the least angle? X. What is the highest angle? 3x. So least angle, what is the least angle? X. 3x is equal to, okay, 3x is equal to 2x plus x. Okay, is it correct? 3x is equal to x plus x. How? 2x, x, 2 plus 3, 1 equal to 3. All are in terms of tan. So apply both sides tan. Tan 3x is equal to tan 2x plus x. Formula tan x plus y. Formula tan x plus y formula. What is the formula of tan x plus y? Tan x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Here this is x, this is y. Tan x plus tan y, y means what? X, by 1 minus tan x into tan y equal to the tan 3x. Cross multiplication. What is this? Cross multiplication. So tan 2x plus tan x is equal to tan 3x into 1 minus tan 2x into tan x. Only cross multiplication. Okay. So tan 2x plus tan x is equal to tan 3x into 1 tan 3x minus tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x. Only multiplication, normal multiplication. Tan 3x into 1 tan 3x minus 3x 2x 1. So these tan 3x tan 2x, this is goes to left side go to right side. So you minus this one this side, this one this side. You minus go minus changes to plus, because this is sides change. Right hand side value, left hand side goes to left hand side. This is sign is different. So tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x, that is equal to the right side tan 3x as it is, the left side tan 2x tan x, this is bring to right side. Okay, ఈ మైనస్ tan 3x tan 2x tan xను ಈ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಬರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ tan 2x tan x ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಇವನು ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಬರಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Once again, here least one is x, middle one is 2x. So x plus 2x is equal to 3x is correct. X plus 2x is equal to 3x. Both are tans. Apply the tan both sides. Tan x plus y formula. Apply the tan x plus formula and cross multiplication and multiply normal multiplication and simplification. So these are single term, only one term. These term bring to left side. These two terms are bring to right side. This one. Okay. Prove that cot x cot 2x cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x is equal to 1. This one same as this. This is x, 2x, 3x, all are cots, x, 2x, 3x. Same, 3x is equal to 2x plus x. 3x is equal to 2x plus x. Apply both side cot. Cot 3x is equal to cot 2x plus x. What is the formula of cot x plus y? Cot x plus y formula, cot y first, not x first, y. Cot y into cot x minus 1 by cot y plus cot x. Okay, and cross multiplication, multiply, you have to try, continue them, otherwise I will explain tomorrow. Okay, same as it is. This is the conversion and how to apply the formula, which formula we have to apply. All are Okay, all are completed, but this is a continuation. Apply the formula, next cross multiplication and again simplification. This is the homework, same model, same type. Okay, do it. Okay, next another problem. Prove that tan 4x is equal to tan 4x is equal to prove that tan 4x is equal to tan 4x 4 tan x into 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus 6 tan square x 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan power 4x. Okay, listen carefully. This is a small technique. Problem is not lengthy, but a small technique. Solution: tan 4x. Listen, look at this, tan 4x. Tan 4x is equal to 2 into 2x. Tan 4x is equal to 2 into 2x. Let 2x is equal to a. 2x ni a anko. Say a 2x ni. So that is equal to tan 2a. Listen carefully. Tan 2 into 2x. 2x is equal to a 2a. Tan 2a formula. Tan 2a formula 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. So 2 into tan, what is a? A is equal to 2x by 1 minus tan square 2x. Again formula. What is the formula? Tan 2x formula. Tan 2x is equal to formula. Tan 2x is equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. 2 tan a, tan 2a formula 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Here apply the formula, same formula. That is equal to 2 into tan 2x formula 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus tan square 2x is equal to tan 2x whole square. Tan square 2x is equal to tan 2x whole square. So 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Okay, so that is equal to 2 into 2 4 tan x into 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Denominator whole square బోర్డు పెద్దది కావాలి. 1 minus 2 tan x whole square. Okay, so result up to continuation. The board is not sufficient, so continue the next board. This one, simplification. What is the simplification? 2 into 2 4 tan x, 4 tan x by 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x by, this is 1 minus 2 tan x whole square. 2 tan x whole square is equal to 4 tan square x, 4 tan square x by 1 minus tan square x whole square. 1 minus tan square x whole square. Okay, next, that is equal to okay na, that is equal to that is equal to 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x by LCM 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x by 1 minus tan square x whole square, that is equal to 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x into volta reverse 1 minus tan square x whole square by simplification a minus b whole square, a square plus b square, a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2 tan square x, again minus 4 tan square x. So 1 minus tan square x square cancel, so that is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x, 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan power 4x minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x minus 6 tan square x, that is equal to RHS. Once again I will repeat, tan 4a is equal to tan 2 into 2a, 2a is equal to a, so 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a is equal to what, 2x, apply the a instead of a bottle 2x, again tan 2x formula and simplification. So 2 into 2 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus the separate, 1 minus both are separate, 1 minus 2 square 4 tan square x by 1 minus tan square x whole square, again 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x by LCM. What is the denominator LCM? 1 minus tan square x whole square LCM. So 1 minus tan square x whole square minus same 4 tan square x by 1 minus tan square x. So this is 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x into, this is goes to reverse, 1 minus tan square x whole square by 1 minus tan square whole square. This is what is the formula? A minus b whole square formula. A minus whole square formula a square and 1 square 1 no, plus b square means tan power 4x minus 2ab. 2ab means 2 into 1 into tan square, 2 tan square, again 4 tan square. So 1 tan square cancel, 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus 4 tan power 4x minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x minus 6 tan square x. Okay, this is not easy, but we have to practice 1 or 2 times. Okay. Okay. Next one. Mathematics means always practice, practice, practice. Practice man makes perfect. Okay. 1 or 2 or more times you saw the video and okay, I will perfect. This is not correct. Practice. Next problem. Cos 4x is equal to 24. Prove that cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. Solution. Cos 4x is equal to cos 2 into 2x. Let 2x is equal to a. So that is equal to cos 2a. Cos 2a formula. Cos 2a have 3 or 4 formulas. 1 minus 2 sin square a, 2 cos square a minus 1. Here 1 minus 2 sin square formula put to a. That is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a means what? 2x. But the formula cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Sin 2x formula is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. These are formulas. So that is equal to 1 minus 2. This is sin square. Sin square 2x is equal to sin 2x whole square. So sin 2x whole square formula. What is sin 2x formula? 2 sin x into cos x whole square. That is equal to 1 minus 2 into 2 square 4. 4 sin square x into cos square x. That is equal to 1 minus 4 into 2 8 sin square x into cos square x. This is LHS. So we get RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. These are today maximum, today all problems will come 5 marks question, maximum 5 marks questions. Okay, listen. Next, last problem. Prove that cos 6x is equal to 25th. Prove that cos 6x is equal to 32 cos power 6 minus 48 cos power 4 minus 48 cos power 4x plus 18 cos square x plus 18 cos square x minus 1 plus 18 cos square x minus 1. So solution LHS. LHS is equal to what? Cos 6x. Cos 6x is equal to cos 2 into 3x. Cos 2 into 3x. That is 3 into 2x. ನೋಡ್ಬೋದಾ? 3 into 2x or any 2 into 3x, 3 into 2x. So let 2x is equal to a, that is equal to cos 3a. Cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, direct formula. So 4 cos cube a is equal to what? 2x minus 3 cos 2x. So 4 cos 2x whole cube. Cos cube 2x means cos 2x whole cube minus 3 cos 2x. What is the cos 2x formula? Cos 2x formula. Cos 2x in terms of cos 2 cos square x minus 1. So 4 into 2 cos square x minus 1. No. Cos 2x formula, all are formulas. Cos 2x formula 2 cos square x minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into cos 2x formula 2 cos square x minus 1. No. So 4 into, you know, a minus b whole cube formula, a minus b whole cube formula, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a plus b, 3ab into a plus b, ORR, a cube minus 3a square minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, or a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b minus 3ab square minus 3a square b and plus 3a square b, a cube minus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a square kaadu minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus 3ab square. This formula. Here this is a is b. A cube 2 cos square x, 2 cos square x whole cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube. Apply this formula. A minus b whole cube is equal to formula a cube minus b cube minus 3a square 2 cos square x 3a square b 3a square b plus 3a b square 3a b square minus 3 into 2 6 cos square x minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 with total bracket. So that is equal to 4 into 2 cube and 8 cos square 2 into 3 6, 8 cos power 6x, a power m into whole power n, a power, these are formulas, a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. So 2 into 3 6, 8 cos cube, so minus 1 whole cube minus 1, so this is minus 3 into 2 square 4 cos power 4x, 4 cos power 4 3 into 2 square 4 cos power 4x plus 3 into 2 6 direct ga 3 into 2 6 cos square x minus 6 cos square x plus 3. Okay, last step, multiply this one, multiply last step. What is the last step? 8 into 4 32, 8 into 4 32, cos power 6x, minus 4 into minus 1 minus 4. Next, three into 4 12, 12 cos power 4. Once again another step, not direct. So that is equal to 4 into 8 cos power 6x minus 1 minus 12 cos power 4x plus 6 cos square x minus 6 cos square x plus 3. So 8 into 4 32 cos power 6x, 32 cos power 6x minus 4 minus 4 12 into 4 minus 48 cos power 4x plus 6 into 4 24 cos square x minus 6 cos square x plus 3. What is the answer? 32. That is what is the final answer? That is equal to 32. Final answer, that is equal to 32 into cos power 6x. Next, minus 48. Next step, minus 48 cos power 4x. Next, plus 24 minus 6 plus 18 cos square x minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. That is equal to RHS. Once again, repeat, cos 6x is equal to cos 3 into 2x. 2x is equal to a, 3a, cos 3a formula, direct formula, 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. What is a? A is equal to 2x. Cos 2x formula, 2 cos square x minus 1. No. So cos cube 2x means cos 2x whole cube minus 3 cos 2x, 4 into, what is the cos 2x formula? 2 cos square x minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into cos 2x formula, 2 cos square x minus 1. So a minus b whole cube formula, this is the a minus b whole cube formula, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So a cube, a here a is equal to what? 2 cos square x whole cube a cube. What is b? 1 minus b cube minus 3 into a square. What is a? 2 cos square x is a whole square, 3a square into b. B is equal to what? 1. Next, plus 3 ab square. A is equal to 2 cos square x into b square. B is equal to 1 square. So 4 into 2 into 2 cube means 8. Cos square x whole cube is equal to cos power 6x. 1 cube is equal to 1 minus 3 into 2 cos square x whole square is equal to 2. 2 square equal to 4. Cos square whole square is 2 into 2 4. 2 into 3 6. Okay, next. Plus 3 into 2 6 cos square x. Okay, 6 cos square x. Again this one minus 6 cos square x minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. So 8 into cos power 6x minus 1 minus 3 into 4 is equal to 12 into cos power 4 plus 6 cos square x minus 6 column. Don't cancel. This is the 4 into 6 cos square x, not single. So 8 into 4 32 cos power 6 minus 4 into minus 1 minus 4 minus 12 into 4 48 cos power 4 plus 6. 6 into 4 24 cos square x minus 6 cos square x plus 3. So simplification, 32 cos power 6x Okay, next again cos power 4 minus 48 cos power 4, next 24 cos square minus 6 plus 18 cos square minus 4 plus 3 equal to minus 1. Okay, all are explanation. Okay, I will continue next topic tomorrow. Thank you.